Happy Monday, everybody. Donnie Baker here with the LPR Sound Foundation. Hope your weekend was great. We had Halloween there for a second. We had the Dodgers win in the World Series. It was kind of an okay week. I'm not a huge baseball fan, but, that's always exciting because it's the hometown team, whatever. I digress. Welcome to the podcast, ladies and gentlemen. This week, this whole month, this week, and including this whole month, we're talking about Pro Tools tips. I'm going to be giving you some tips and tricks. We're going to be sharing some templates, some track presets. We're going to be sharing probably one of the most under talked about thing about Pro Tools, and that is the preferences. How you can change Pro Tools to be your Pro Tools. Now, we're going to get to that at the end of the month. That's the big one. So we got, it's going to be awesome. I'm actually making that into a masterclass that I'm going to be sharing with everybody here on YouTube as well. It's important. I really feel like that's an important part of Pro Tools that can get out of hand. And sometimes people, you get all the error, start getting these errors and Pro Tools crashes a lot. Usually that means there's something wrong with something stuck in the preferences or something weird, or if you find that your mouse is being weird in Pro Tools or something's moving around, it's not supposed to move around. It might be a preference that inadvertently got changed, or someone we're a commercial studio, so people use our systems. A lot of different people come in and use our systems all the time, and they might add something to the preferences. They might change something to do it the way they like it. They might want that extra little curve on the fade in or fade out. What I do, and I'm gonna share something with you on that week where every Monday I come in and I just restore my preferences to my preferences. I restore it back to the way that I like it. And if people make changes, it's okay. It's okay. I'm just gonna dump them. I'm gonna because I've backed them up. Once I got them where I liked them, I backed them up and I like it that way. So I just restore from there every Monday. That's what I do on all my systems in the entire studio. So we have 4 different systems here in the studio, and that's what I do. That's one of my Monday things. So, and also talking to you is another Monday thing. That's what we do, right? So, hey, listen, this week's going to be kind of short and sweet. I just kind of wanted to introduce Pro Tools Tip Month. I do have something I want to share with you. I have something free for you. Just go to learnprorecording.com/PT tips. Make sure the PT and the T are all capitalized. I'll also put a link to it down here in the description so you guys can just click it. But what it is, it's like, dude, if you go to Avid and you download the key commands, you know what I mean? It's like 75 pages long, and you also get all the ones for PC, you get all the ones for Mac. It's a lot. And you got to try to sift through and figure out which ones that you're going to like, which ones you're going to use all the time. What we've done is we've sifted it out. We've made a spreadsheet of all the ones that we use most, and we put them all in one. It's like 2 pages. So go grab it. It's learnprorecording.com/PT tips. And also included in that is one of our lessons from one of the courses that we've built. Actually, there's a couple of universities that use this course as well, and one of the lessons in there is the history of Pro Tools. Not really important, not really something you have to know, but kind of interesting. Know where it came from, how it evolved into what it is today. We just had another update. Now Pro Tools is running on 2024.10, and I've had to redo the preferences video because the masterclass for preferences, because they've changed some things and they've added some things. So I'm actually making a new one because some of these courses, some of these lessons that you guys see, that you guys get for free here on YouTube, are actually part of, there's a couple of universities that use some of my content. There's a private college that uses some of my content, and I usually update it for them as well. And you guys that are in my courses, I've got a basic audio engineering course and an advanced audio engineering course, which be on the lookout for 2025. I'm going to combine the basic and the advanced. So it's going to be one longer course, bigger course. I'm not going to raise the price that much. It'll be less than if you bought the basic and the advanced and then worked both of them. But you'll be getting all the information from the basic and all the information from the advanced in one course. I'm going to simplify things. I'm going to dial it down to one, and you guys, it's just for you. Okay. So this is one of my goals for the new year is to simplify things and to make it easier for you to access, make it easier for everyone to access. And as usual, I give a lot of it away for free, just because I'm here to help you learn and grow. Let me get rid of this for you. You don't need to see that anymore. I'm just here to help you learn and grow and become and just be a better audio engineer, be a better music producer, be a better studio owner. Giving you tips and tricks on how to do all that stuff. So this is this week, November. It's actually November 4th. Welcome. Next week, November 11th, we're going to talk about the key commands. We're going to go over them. I'm going to show you some stuff, show you some tricks. Then November 18th, we're going to talk about templates. Awesome. I'm going to be giving away a lot of templates, a lot of track presets that we use a lot. The templates make things go a lot quicker. It gets you into a session quicker, gets you into a session faster. Track presets, your best friend, man. Like I was in a session today, and I didn't get the information from the producer until literally 10 minutes. He emailed it to me and then drove over. So I didn't even get the information. I didn't even know what was coming in. Didn't know what we were actually recording till about 10 minutes before the session. So what saved my time was the track presets that I made last time I worked with this guy. He does the same things. Like we'll record a violin and a vocalist. He's a film composer. So I'll record a guitar, an acoustic guitar. So he wants things done a certain way. He wants stereo mics on the guitars. He wants a stereo room mic. He might want an ambient mic in the hallway. There's different things that he wants, but I've built track presets for this guy. If he says, oh, we're doing a guitar, I click one thing, it opens up everything I need for the guy. Pretty much I just got to change the IO, change the input output, so to match what we got going on. But track presets are awesome. So we're going to be sharing that with you. And then, of course, the final week, we're going to share the Pro Tools preferences. Basically, we're going to open the preferences and we're going to go through each one. I know you guys have opened it and looked at it, and some of you may get it. Some of you may be professional at it and you love it and you know what to do with it. But you guys that are new, you might open this up and it's kind of overwhelming because you don't know what all these things do. And that's why I'm here. I'm going to help you. We're going to go through each tab, and on each tab, we're going to go through each thing. I'm going to explain what it is, why you should change it, why on some of them you should not change it, and we're just going to do it that way. Okay, so that's going to be a little bit longer video because the preferences, there's a lot. There's a lot going on, especially with the new version. There's some extra added things, which are they're pretty cool. I mean, I'm not, gotta give Avid props there. I mean, they do listen to our requests on the forums. They do pay attention to the users, and they give us sometimes things that we need, sometimes things that we like. So there you go. So again, I want to offer you the Pro Tools tips. Just go to learnprerecording.com/PT tips. Get that for free. It's a list of the most used key commands that we use, because we're going to talk about key commands next week. And so it's the most used, and then a little bit of history of Pro Tools from one of the courses that I've built for some universities around the country, around the world. Actually, one of them that uses my courses, one of them that uses my lessons is worldwide. So there is that. So let me know if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns. Leave a comment. Leave a comment down below. While you're down there, man, please subscribe to the YouTube channel here. We got some great stuff coming up. I can tell you real quick, December is going to be cool. We usually do December, we talk about business, because I want you guys to be thinking about starting your business or growing your business or scaling your business to the next level. Quit your damn day job. That's why I'm here. That's why I'm here to help you, achieve that. Building studios, building businesses, building what we do. It's more than about just getting a microphone and turning it on, turning it up, making some cool music. Yeah, dude, it's a business. If you're making money out of it, you're charging people money for it, you are a business and you need to treat it as such. And so what I like to say is that we try to help teach you the art and business of recording, because it is a business and yet it is still an art. So I'm here to help with that. So we got some really cool stuff coming up in December. I can't wait to talk to you about it. We'll be adding to it throughout the month of November. By the time we get there, I'll be ready to share with you. So I'm gonna get up out of here, man. Like I said, it's got to be an early day today. I've got another session coming in. I was in a session all day today. I'm kind of beat up, man. It's one of these sessions that just, they never stop. You know what I mean? It's like between players and between parts, I'm still running. Like I'm setting up the next thing and I'm setting up microphones for the next player. I never get to take a break. So it was like a 6-hour session that I didn't really get to stop. I only had 1 cup of coffee that on the whole session. It's crazy. But so there's that. So, and I've got another session coming in later on tonight, so I got to get ready for that. So we're gonna keep this one nice and short. Again, one more time. Go get your free. Go grab the Pro Tools. The tips. Get the PT tips. LearnProRecording.com/PT tips. Make sure it's uppercase P, uppercase T, uppercase T, IPS. There you go. I'll also have a link down here below, so you guys can just go click on it and get it. It's pretty cool. It's just, and the faster you can get with your key commands, the faster you can get with things that you do, the clients are going to notice, and you'll be on your way to be able to make more money, and that's the thing. Next week I'm also going to share with you another trick that I have up my sleeve, and it's called the Elgato Stream Deck. If you guys have not noticed, if you guys haven't seen this thing, woo, dude, in Pro Tools, it's a game changer for me. It was a game changer for me when I get to do a lot of stuff. And when I got to do a lot of stuff and build a lot of things, I've basically made a macro. I hit one button and I'm done. So hey, I appreciate you guys hanging out with me, and we will see you on the blog post. We've moved Thursday live to Monday. So I'll be sending it out. You guys will get a link. It's fine. Don't worry. You'll still be here. So we'll see you there. And the blog post on Wednesday. And don't forget, next week we're going to talk about key commands. So we will see you then. Have a wonderful week. Have a great week. Can't wait to see what you share. Can't wait to see what you do. We'll see you guys next time. My name is Donnie B, and I am out. Peace.